Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. We can do maybe separately, yeah? So some give you number 4, some number 5 to keep it.
It's okay,
Sorry, I'm not gonna.
Greeting Davies, of course, unfortunately a 0-6 loss to the team, but your thoughts on this match first?
I know for us that we really wanted to focus on our game and how we play, and going into the next we've got a lot to learn from and a lot to fix, and it's going to be a very good experience to take into our next game. Obviously we're putting this behind us so we can go into the next match fresh minded.
Alam ko hindi po ito yung result na gusto namin, pero proud po ako sa ginawa ng team namin. Tumaban po kami hanggang dulo. Ito yung lesson namin kung paano kami mag-step up sa next game.
Muntik na yung lang sa Cyprus na effort sa muntik na mga goal. Pinapamama sa post.
Siguro hindi ko pa po time na makascore, pero next game, pag-iihan ko pa, kasi goal ko talaga dito is makatulong sa team. Kung kahit hindi man ako makagoal, pero may makagoal man sa mga kasama ko, panalo na rin po yun para sa akin.
Meron ka pang dapat ginawa para ma-score mo?
Ginawa ko naman po mga finish talaga sa next game.
Ladies, for the first few minutes you kept the score close, but eventually Poland got the first goal, and it was, yeah. Just your thoughts on the first few minutes? You were on your defensive end, you were keeping the score tied until that first goal. Yeah.
I know for us, we didn't want to, our goal was to focus on ourselves and how we played, and we defend and we transition and our runs and everything about us. And I know going into the next match, we're going to take everything from this game, learn from it, but then put it behind us. That way it's not weighing us down for the next.
Well, as a captain, you led the team to a World Cup as captain. How did it feel like leading the team, especially during the warm-ups and hearing the crowd as well?
I know for Inday and I and Shai as captains as well, we all really wanted to be examples for the team and set the tone in what we need to accomplish in terms of attacking, defending, making sure the standards are okay on and off the court.
Ang sinasabi nyo lagi during the huddle, sama-sama, sabi mo na ngayon kasama mo sa team, mga kalaban mo dati sa UABC, Shari's, may teammate ka ba dati sa Regina, ngayon kami na sa FU. Kamusta yung feeling na ngayon nagsama-sama na yung mga local talents sa UAB kasama mga foreign persons tayo sa Pilipinas para dito sa FIFA Futsal Tournament?
Sobrang saya ko po kasi hindi namin in-expect na magsama-sama kami ngayon dito sa World Cup kasi nga po may kanya-kanya na po kaming buhay. Pero ito po yung itong World Cup po ang nagbuo sa amin na paano kami kaya kami nagsama-sama dahil sa World Cup na to. And sobrang saya ko lang po na makilala yung mga ibang team mo na nakalaban ko dati sa UAP, and which is naging sobrang close ko, na sobrang close talaga.
Against Morocco lang, ang naging nyo doon natalo rin sila kanina ng medyo malaki. So, tingin nyo ba, do you feel like you have a good chance against Morocco after this experience against Poland?
Bilog po ang bola, so hindi natin maano yung result kung hindi pa natin ilalaro. Kaya tingnan na lang po natin sa game at gagawin po namin lahat para may panalo yung laban, at lalaban kami para sa team, para sa bayan, at para sa mga tao na naniniwala sa amin.
Bella, your thoughts on the Morocco match on Monday?
I know for us that we really want to show ourselves again and our values and how we are as a team, and inspire every Filipino watching, because it is in our home country, and to go into a next match with a fresh slate is going to be our goal.
Inday, sabi mo nga dun sa pinost mo sa Facebook na parang harap mo lang to eh. Ngayon nangyari na first game mo, ano na yung musta yung ano mo?
Sorry po.
Kasi pinangarap, sabi mo sa Facebook, pinangarap mo nga to. Ngayon, nangyari na, nakalaro ka na. Kumusta yung ano?
Sobrang, ano ko po, yung dream come true nga po. Ano po di ko po in-expect to eh. Nagte-training ako, naglalaro ako, pinapakita ko lang kung anong makakaya ko, and then may mga coaches na pinagkakatiwalaan ako. And yun, natupad ko yung pangarap ko, hindi sa easy way, kundi pinaghirapan ko po. At yun po.
Let's do two last questions, please. Or one.
Sige, follow up na lang tawag dito. Ngayon, yun nga, naka-get over ka na ba dun sa, yun, dream come true, ngayon, goal mo na, yung makuha kayong panalo, ganito?
Hindi pa rin po ako makakapanalo. Like, sobrang, parang nandun pa rin ako sa batang ako eh. Parang gusto ko pang may makamit pa sa sarili ko, and then sa team. Kasi hindi ko din ako lang. Kasi group, team. So, para sa team.
Okay.
Thank you.